So this is Destroy, Rebuild Until God Shows Brighter Side. So I still listen to, I think it's just one song by these guys from back in the day. I'm pretty sure it's the Stop Doing Push-Ups song. I think that song's so sick. I think it still holds up. I remember enjoying pretty much the entire album, so it's cool that you guys are back. I did check out, I think it was their previous single. It was okay. Didn't really capture me, but I'm excited to check it out because I do like these guys. Let's go. Forward. Nice. Kind of lost me. Like the mix just doesn't have like presence or beat. Vocally, that is very impressive that he can do that. I just don't think it sounds that great. But that was so high that it felt like, dude, that's gotta be, it didn't really sound that natural. Video's really cool though. His voice is awesome. Like, his delivery is insane. It's just too high for me. Like, it's a lot of high notes in a row. Damn, though. Wake up. Ooh. I love that transition. Love this part, too. A lot of really cool samples and shit going on. Back into the chorus. Damn, that's it. Not even 3 minutes. Damn, okay. I mean, I guess I'll have to say I didn't really enjoy it, but there was a lot about it that I did. I think it was just the chorus, because the chorus, I think, to me, sounded dated. It sounded like something that I would have thought was really cool back in the day. So in that aspect, I do like it because it sounds like Drugs and reminds me of their older stuff, but just it being 2022 at this point and the older that I am now, I just don't really like that sound anymore, or not as much. But then everything else, like the instrumentation, the backtracks, everything that was going on in the background, the samples, little effects and melodies, his voice in the verse, the melodies in the verse, everything outside of the chorus I thought was really good. So I liked it, but the chorus did take up most of the song, and since the song is so short, it's like, I guess I'm probably not going to listen to it or save it. Man, I did really enjoy a lot of the instrumentation and stuff though. And again, great voice, great delivery, just too high. It just didn't really sound like it fit. But then at the same time, maybe it's just the specific key it was in. I don't know if singing it an octave lower would have sounded better, because that might have been just too low and it didn't have any passion or energy in it. So, I don't know. I guess just not for me, but still cool. I still respect these dudes, and I hope that they succeed because I do think they're very talented and I like them. So.